So cool!
Thank you.
Bye!
Sammy, welcome to my store.
I want it on.
Okay, money. Huh? Money? I don't have money. No money? No food. Okay. Suri, Suri! Welcome back, Annie. Huh? No green. Come down, Annie. Oh! Someone took food away.
Aha!
Huh? Money? I don't have money. Sammy, what should we do? Suri, Suri. Okay. Wow! Sammy! You do that, right?
Sorry, it's my fault.
Don't do that again. Yeah. Let's fix it. Okay. I'm done. Yeah! Vending machine is ready.
no.
What happened?
Not us.
Yeah.
Well, this is my machine, and you have to pay for all of it. Let's see, 10, 20. This is gonna cost $100.
Oh no! So expensive! We don't have money!
We only have $1.
Yeah!
Then why did the machine give you so many?
Well, maybe it's broken.
Let me check the machine. Everything looks okay. Hey, this part looks broken. Oh! Oh, this machine is completely broken.
Sorry, God.
Good news, I can fix it.
Really?
But you have to get more soda. Use my cart.
Okay, no problem.
All done. Now I just need the soda.
Uncle, are you done?
I just finished. Now you need to put the soda in the machine.
Done!
Great job, guys. It looks brand new again. Well, now that it's all fixed, try it out.
I want Pepsi.